What's poppin' on your games? Your boy, your Wavy 6, right back at you with another episode. Today, honestly speaking, I wanna brush with my followers. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my new subscribers. Appreciate. Thank you for the comments below. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following me in my journey. You know what I'm saying? I'm only with Wavy for like 6 months. I still got a lot to learn, and while I'm in the process, what I'm learning, I'm going to teach the new beginners, you know what I'm saying, thing that I'm learning. So I want you guys to be at my level. I'm not selfish, you know what I'm saying? That's the reason why I'm sharing all my experience that I'm learning, you know what I'm saying? I understand this is YouTube. I understand, you know what I'm saying, later on you get monetized, so and so on. I'm not really worried about that. I'm still getting my money besides this, feel me? I'm doing it for the passion, I'm doing it for the culture, real talk. So let me take these off real quick. Show you real quick, little wave check. You see, I'm supporting my fellows. You see this right here, this crown patch? Look, the essentials. You see, I'm supporting, you know what I'm saying? I support. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go with two sections. We're gonna do it with the hard. We're gonna do it with the medium. Be advised, I got a 1.5, so I'm not gonna push the brush down. All right, you're coming in. Right here, it's a thumbnail. Right here. Boom. See right here. Just kidding. We'll see. So this is how I start my pattern, okay? Since I had a 540 before, and I'm trying to swerve it, you know, cause the 1360 swirl. So right here, it was right here, the fork. It's moving now. As you can see, the waves, they move. It's moving now. So eventually it's gonna come to my ear and just, you know, vanish. But meanwhile, I gotta pull this guy out, you know what I'm saying? So you could go on top of the other wave and line up. For now, you just gotta be patient. You got two choices when you're trying to get ready for it, or you shifting. One of my choice was cut my hair to 1.5 so I could start the new hair that's coming up, training. Or you could cut your hair, you could scalp it, start from the beginning. But since it's summer, I ain't with it, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, most of the time I got my do-rag on. So only way that I take my do-rag off, if I go to the beach, or I got an interview, or something that I have to take my do-rag off. If I don't gotta take my do-rag off, I'm keeping my do-rag all day. That's just the way I am. And I'm in a wave game, not because of the money is high. I'm in the wave game because I like this. I like this wave game, you know what I'm saying? This is a challenge. I like challenge, so it's not that easy, but I like it. This is a good sport for me, you know what I'm saying? Just brushing my hair, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, you know? I'm gonna give you guys another tip. Since I started brushing, my hair got better. What I mean that my hair got better, my hair was a mess before. It was dry. I wasn't taking care of my hair, you know, because I used to get a low fade and that's it. End of the story, you know what I'm saying? So I never put products on. I wash my hair with shampoo, regular shampoo, BO5, and you know, things like that. And when I got to the wave game, I started learning the brushes, products, you know, etc. So I appreciate that I got in this wave game thanks to my barber and my motivation people. And I was gonna shout out to all of them. They know People to Go, 360 Yeezy, Wakeman Mike, 360 Jules. I don't know them, but I gotta give these guys their flowers, you know what I'm saying? They be in the game for a while. And I started being away because of them, besides my barber. My barber was my motivation, but the guys that pushed me to go to the next level, well, these guys right here, you know what I'm saying? So, big shout out to them. They still making moves, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all of them. And the one coming up, what you gotta do is just step up your game and get this brush section. If you got a brush, you home, you chilling, you ain't doing nothing, bro, get up, you know what I'm saying? Grab one of these, brush with your boy. I don't know what you're waiting for, you know what I'm saying? You slacking, you're home, what you doing? So, that's how it goes. I always finish with the crown, and I always if you got a fork, always start with your fork. Never go to the good side. Always start with the bad side, because that's the problem you're gonna fix. So the problem that I have right now is swirling my crown, and besides swirling it, trying to get rid of this fork right here. Move this fork out. I have to wait. I gotta be patient. Alright. Boom. Alright. To the side. Straightforward. Nothing changed. The same way you brush on your left side, you brush on your right side. Forward. The only thing that changed is the size. But it's the same thing. It's just one on the left side, one on the right side. Straight down. Little slanted here, but straight forward. Okay. You see my brush is forward, right? See, go like here. Between my hairline. Forward. 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 If you're in the wave two, another tip, change your hands. Don't stay with one hand. Change your hands. Practice. If you're starting being a wave, practice. On the back I like it slanted. That's how I like it. You choose the way you want your waves to flow. Okay, don't copy nobody. Everybody got their own style. The pattern is the same, but you choose your style. Okay, the angles is the same. The only thing that changes is your style, how you want it. Me personally, I want it just like this. 360, then right here, so you can set 75/40, and then I swerve it up, slanted on the back. You see it? That's the way that I like it, and everybody got their own ways, you know. So I'm not gonna judge nobody. That's the way I want it. You choose the pattern. You choose how you want it. Don't follow nobody. You can follow the tips that we give you, but you follow your own pattern, the way you want it, and the way your hair flows. Don't be like nobody, be yourself. Always finish with the crown. You gotta get used to that. Every time you finish a section, finish with your crown. That's what's gonna make your waves pop out more. Right? The subsection. The reason why I'm brushing like this, because I already know my angles. Downward, this is forward right here, my headline. You got 3 forwards. Left, top, and the right top. Once again, it's easy to get waves. The thing that changed about wave is the connection and the pattern. Anybody can have waves, but can you connect and can you make them flow? That's the key. You see how it changed my hands? Before I didn't change my hands, and it was causing me a lot of forks. But eventually you learn, if you listen to what I'm saying, you could avoid that. That's the reason why I'm making these videos. For the new beginners. And when you brushing, don't brush too fast. When you starting, don't brush too fast. Just take it easy. When you in the crown should be sensitive. Take it easy in your crown. In the crown work, you know. You see, it's been kind of hard for me to change the angle right here because of the 540. My hair's so used to the 540, but I'm going to see. You see, he gets uncomfortable because I'm putting the hair somewhere else he don't want to go because he's used to the 540. But eventually, it's gonna give up and go the way that I want it. Alright. Now you can brush from the outside. I get close to the crown a little bit. You see I do it slow. So I brush like this, downward, right here, top of the ear, flat, behind the ear. Gotta keep working. Gotta keep pushing it, you know? It's gonna pay it off. You just gotta keep maintaining. You gotta keep going. Gotta keep going, all right? You already know the vibes, man. I want to give a shout out to the page. They post me on IG, wave.get.jeaned. Maybe I pronounced it wrong, but they promote my post. Shout out to you guys. I'm gonna leave the link below. You guys go show some love to the page. Shout out, OG Wave 6.